Be ready. Start. It was urged on behalf of the appellant that before the authority formed such an opinion, stop. It was incumbent upon it to afford him an opportunity to make suitable representation in this behalf. Stop. Reliance was placed upon the judgment of this court in M. Gopalakrishan Naidu versus State of Madhya Pradesh. Stop. The appellant in that case had been exonerated of the charges framed against him in a departmental inquiry. Stop. Government held, however, that the appellant's suspension and the departmental inquiry instituted against him were not wholly unjustified. Stop. The relevant order, after reinstating the appellant with effect from the date of the order and directing the appellant's retirements from the same date on the ground that he had already attained the age of superannuation, contained a further direction that the entire period of the appellant's absence from duty should treated as a period of the appellant's duty should be treated as a period spent on duty under Fundamental Rule 54 for the purpose of pension only, but that he should not be allowed any pay beyond what he had actually received or were allowed to him by way of subsistence allowance during the period of his suspension. Stop. The appellant in that case contended that his case really came under Fundamental Rule 52 and not under Fundamental Rule 54, and that the government should have guaranteed him an opportunity to be heard before deciding as to the rule which applied to his case. Stop. It was contended on behalf of the government that the order regarding allowances was a mere consequential order, and in passing such an order, it was not necessary to give a hearing to the party affected by the order. Stop. Over.